Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we are going to discuss about variable declarations in TypeScript. In TypeScript, we have two keywords to declare variables, let and const. Let us see one example. Let x is equal to 1, const y is equal to 2. Now, if you were aware of JavaScript, you must know that in JavaScript, you can declare the same variable multiple times. But that facility is not there in TypeScript. In TypeScript, you cannot declare same variable once it is already declared. This is a very good feature which came as a part of TypeScript. Suppose you are writing code in a very long file of 1000 lines. You are not sure how many variables have been declared previously. But now you have to declare one variable. Maybe the name of the variable is going to be the same which is already declared previously. This feature of TypeScript will prevent you to do this type of activities, which will help to avoid the duplicate variables and the variable value overriding. Now, if I want to declare the same variable x once again, let's see what happens. We got error, cannot redeclare variable x. The same thing happens with const as well. We got the same error. Now you must be thinking why there are two different keywords, let and const. So there must be some difference between these two keywords, right? Absolutely. Let me explain. If you are using let keyword to declare one variable, it is not mandatory to initialize the variable. If you are writing let n and you are not assigning any value for it, that is absolutely fine. You can assign the variable value later and you can change it as well. So we have declared the variable value as n equal to 5 and again n equal to 25. So there is no problem. But if you are creating one variable with const keyword, you must initialize that variable with a value. As for example, const username. We are not giving any value for this username. We got one error. Const declarations must be initialized. So when you are using const keyword and declaring one variable, you must initialize the variable with a value. There is one more point here. For const keyword, once you have assigned that value, you can never change it. It will work as a constant. Suppose if I write username is equal to TypeScript, we got error. Cannot assign to username because it is a constant. So I think you have a clear idea for let and const keyword now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.